You are watching Shayna-Renee. What's up, you guys? My name is Shaynawheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses, if you must, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, it's another Style and Basic series. Yes. This time it is for class outfits. So these outfits are a few outfits that I've worn before, some I haven't. I just wanted to curate a few outfits that I'm gonna like interchange some of the shirts or pants or sneakers, just so you can see different ways you can wear it. It's gonna be a whole bunch of different types of outfits. I know if most of y'all know me, how I like to dress, and y'all usually say, oh my god, your outfits are really cute even when they're simple, and I'm like, girl, y'all gotta know how to style some basic pieces and make it look fly, right? These are outfits that can fit any type of person, whether you want to be cute and show your body off like me, or if you want to dress more boyish, fully boyish, tomboyish, you want to just look really chill and plain with some sweatpants and a shirt, but it's gonna look cute even though it's super simple. Anybody can really benefit from these outfits, and if you know somebody that can dress, don't know how to dress, or whatever they need to know how to dress for class or something, send them this video because it's super easy to look cute. So let's get into this video. First up, we have a graphic tee with a biker short. With my top, I cut the front with a very low V cut to expose the color of the bra underneath. If you have a regular bra or bikini top, you might be able to see the pop of color underneath the bra more than I have here. I think this outfit really pops because of the print of the shirt and the colors that are in it. I also have a slight pop of color accent with the blue sneakers that I have on as a variation option. To create a slight different vibe, you can also add a hat. Any type of hat will most likely work with this outfit, but in this one, I chose a dad hat and a bucket hat to showcase. The next look, I'm going to continue with the same shirt but add sporty leggings. This will look fine with regular leggings as well, but I feel like the Nike logo showing with the type of material of leggings this is, it gives a slight elevation to it. I tucked the back of the shirt in because it gives a cute vibe and it drapes the shirt in a certain way in the front. You see it, it just looks cute to me. Now, I'm going to switch it up with the same vibe as before and add a hat and change the sneakers. With the leggings look, I love the white hat with the Nike check. It's a simple thing, but I feel like it just gives a little bit extra with it. Moving on to this next outfit, a solid color look outfit. I love this all white look. I wore it a few years back and I need to bring it back again, so I'm showing y'all here now. If you go for an all white look, try to make sure your whites are as close in color as possible. Now, switching up the flavor, I added a red bandana, tying it towards the middle of my hair, leaving some hair out in the front. Sometimes the way you wear your hair can help make an outfit come to life. You can also wear color sneakers here. I have two options that went well with the top. I love the solid look, but there's something about the pop of color with the sneaker that just draws me into the outfit. With this look 4, I am leaving the top and changing the sweatpants to match the colors in the logo. If you want to add a girly touch and wear the shirt half on, a color bra would make this look really cute, as you can see here. You can even get rid of the shirt as well if you like. Now, being extra and different, I'm adding back the bandana, but I'm going to wear a few different ways. You can put the leg up of your pants and tie the bandana to the leg, and boom, instant vibes. You're definitely welcome. You can thank me later.
For look 5, I worn this look in James Alonzo's rehearsal for A Brand New Day. Go check that video out if you haven't. It went viral. So this is a simple, cute, and sporty look. It's a fitted shirt with a sports bra underneath and a fishnet top over it. I wore my tan sneakers with this because I like the style of how the tan sneaker look over the plain white sneakers I had. Once again, hats can change your look, and I feel like this look goes good with hats or without hats. I wanted to make sure this shorts was a fitted type of sporty short. I feel like this kind of gives it a little edge. Also, I think denim black shorts would look cute with this outfit as well. This is a simple and easy look to pull off. You can wear any color sneakers that complements the color of your fit, and boom. Of course, try different hats and even bandanas. You'll see the same type of hats and bandanas throughout this video because I was feeling lazy, but you get the picture. As you can see, I have one of my sweatpants leg lifted up, and even that kind of just changed the outfit a little bit. This is also like a matching set type of outfit, but I'm adding a little crop top in case you want to take off the sweatshirt and wrap it around your waist, have it halfway, or just have the crop top underneath. Here we are with look 7. This one is low-key a pajama lounge around the house look. I wanted to show how you can make that type of outfit work for class. I got this shirt in a swag bag from when I danced with Cardi B for the Fast and Furious promo show, and the shorts are some oversized basketball shorts. Very simple and basic, but I feel like pairing it together the way I did with a white long sleeve shirt underneath and this denim choker that I made, I think it kind of just gives it a little bit oomph for class. Now I took off the shirt, and I feel like this could work too, but since the shirt is kind of loose, if I tie it up, I feel like it just gives a cute little vibe of want to be tomboyish but still girly on top. Now, if you want to wear the do-rag for class, I feel like that's fine as long as it looks cute on you and it doesn't look like you just roll out of bed, like I said before. So I have the do-rag on. I tied it in a certain way so it kind of still has that fashionable look, and I feel like that works and it makes the outfit look cute. And I changed my sneakers to the white Uptown, so boom. Now adding the shirt back, and I just changed the sneakers and added a hat and or keeping the do-rag. I feel like that's also another little vibe that you could go off of, and it could be simple and cute for a class. Nothing too much, but you look good. This next look is super simple. It's a sporty look. I feel like this could go for many different classes. I think the hat looks best with this. It gives a nice, I don't know, I just like it. I just feel like it looks really good with either hat that I have on, but I really do like it with the dad type of hat. This is super simple and easy to replicate, and that's it. It looks good. So for look 9, we're back with a regular type of track pants look. This is super simple with a regular shirt. I feel like any shirt could work as long as it kind of looks kind of cute. With me, instead of doing a graphic shirt, I did somewhat of a graphic shirt with my face on it because it's me. Why not? Duh. Throwing a hat, boom. That's if you want to be a little bit more on the simpler side. I still feel like it works. And now this next look is, of course, a basic look with a hoodie. I feel like because the hoodie has a little something on it with the snipes on the side, I feel like it gives it a little edge. And then also, I feel like the type of sneakers you wear with it gives it a little something. Number 10. This one is super, super old school. I wouldn't wear it like this, to be honest, but it's super old school if you're really in that era and you don't want to show your body, but you still kind of want to look like something. I think this works. I feel like with the hat in the back, I feel like it gives it a little bit of whatever that means. That's what it gives. It gives the fireness to the outfit. Yeah, with this, you can definitely do the shirt over the top. I feel like it's still very old school, but it works. Whether you decide to do the leg up with the sweatpants or not. And yeah, boom, add a hat. It's cute too. It works. Like I said, I probably wouldn't really dance like this in class, but I feel like if I had to, it's an option. Now this, cheeks, hey, 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 this is more of a style that I would do. I didn't have a over-the-shoulder type of top like this, but if I did, I would wear it like this. And yeah, it's just a sports bra. I feel like this works. I got my sneakers on that matches the sports bra, and I feel like it definitely is a step up from the last outfit if you want to show more of your stomach. And like I said before, the hair makes a difference of how you wear it. I threw the cropped shirt back on, and I feel like this gives a vibe. I've actually worn this before, just like this. And of course, you know, you'll be seeing hats in and out this video. So another way to switch it up with this outfit would be adding my favorite, a bikini top underneath. I love a good bikini top. So yeah, I would definitely wear it like this. If you're scared to kind of show your boobs or like just be in a bikini top and vulnerable in class like that, you could always do a crop shirt under it. I feel like that looks cute. And even doing the bikini strings across, I feel like that gives it another vibe. I've definitely wore bikini tops like this in class with a crop top over and without a crop top over. I feel like it just works and it's cute. And I just love the play with the colors in this outfit. Of course, you know, white hat if you're trying to be on that sporty spice vibe. I think that looks cute. And yeah, that's about it for that. Alrighty now, last looks, all aboard, last looks. With this look, it is super simple, basic hip hop 101 outfit. So I have the regular gray sweatpants with, it's a baby white beater. I actually cut it and put a zipper on it just to give it a little spaz. Nothing much to talk about it. You see what it is. It's cute. I wasn't really supposed to put it in the video, but that's what I ended up wearing for the day. So there you go.
All right, I am back, and this concludes the video. Let me know what you guys think of the video, what you guys think of the outfits. Let me know what was your favorite outfit. If you would wear an outfit, if you wouldn't wear an outfit, what's your style of outfit, and if you have a video idea for outfits. So many outfits in one sentence. I have a lot more style and basic videos to come. It's gonna be amazing, so definitely stay tuned because you never know what you're gonna get. And also, the thing with my styling videos is I'm not a person that would only wear something once and then done with it. So stay tuned for videos that I show you how to style the same outfit more than once, like sort of like what I did in this video, or you know, just different things like that. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.